It's my birthday.
Joseph! Nasaan ka, Mr. Joseph? Si Joseph, oh! Joseph! Joseph! For today's episode, what?
Dapat
This time, I guarantee you that Sassy will win.
So what plays do you have in mind?
Mga sa mga may kasamang bata po, marami pa po tayong vehicles sa taas. Pwede po tayo mong puller para hindi po natin sa mga bata.
Take to West and Central Africa, where it lives in grassland, shrublands, and open forests.
Ano? Si Joseph!
This time, I need an adult female to volunteer. An adult female who wants yes for the day. Just raise your hand, and I will choose one. So, wala rin? Saan? Ah, there she is! And how about the boys? All the boys will cheer for Rocky. Go boys! Let me hear a cheer!
We're having fun, bro!
Alright, Holy Pigeons! Holy Pigeons has an A-probability, meaning they will gonna return to its nest and leaves. How about our applause for our first and our
Ano na,
Holy
Joseph?
Pigeons? Here in Manila Ocean Park, we believe that there is hope. We only not trying to make a parents in the sea, but also
Umuwi agad!
in the land and there as well. Now, Max, who owns the trios? Introduce Rius and...
Bro! We're having fun, bro!
I wanna eat them.
You want this fish, bro? Huh?
Eat lips.
Akala ko ukuds. Huh? Di ba ukuds?
Welcome to where are
Oh, this.
Oy! Ikaw na isa.
birthday Welcome to where are we?
Manila Ocean.
Ocean Park. May nahulog ka dyan eh.
Bro, can you check if it's real?
Ayun o. Kala ko, parang
Bro, by the way, that is piranha.
Alin? Ito?
Can you test? Can you test if it's piranha? Huh?
Saan tayo? Bawal siya to.
Bro, it's coming out.
Wala, dapat na siya lumabas. Goldfish, no.
It's not bro. I think this is called Joseph, that guy.
What's a mermaid?
Okay. O tingnan natin kung living nga. Ano na? Favorite mo pala yan, no?
Favorite na milk. Tapos singit lang. Oo nga.
Slimy?
Delicious ba? Delicious?
Oh, maybe.
Bro, merong note penguin. Napis the wall.
Oo nga, anong ginagawa niya doon? Speed lapsing.
Relapsing?
Kaya shopping na siya.
What's that? Bro,
Sa shopping.
is it a yes day? Huh? Yes day ba? At your birthday? Uy, ang laki ng gusto. Ang laki ng gusto. Ba, meron pa oh. Uy, si Jacob doon nagbabayad. Ang bait talaga ni Kuya. Alam mo na, hindi na lang si Kuya doon hihiga sa atin. Ha? Para may space.
Mami, sabi ko, sa room na namin kami tutulog.
Talaga ba?
Ah.
Really?
Gana, gana. Oy. Ito yan? Wait pala ni Kuya Jacob eh. Okay, boy.
Nakita mo yung gift ko kay Seth? Oh, thank you without the you. Oh.
Coach ka lang.
Ikaw ba?
Ano yan, bro? Ang haba ng leg mo. Oh, Joseph. Haba ng leg mo.
He wants to go out.
Bro! Bro! Uy!
Ang dami nga lahat oh.
This is the quickest spider.
Pag yan nakita natin sa likod, ako. Taas sa second floor.